Where do pirates get their hooks? Secondhand store. You're welcome.
So we're just at the river that connects to the back of the property. It's really cool. We found this sneaky little hole. We already knew that the river was at the back of the property, which we could fish and stuff on. But where we are right now looks like a little beach with some sand, and you could go swimming in the river here. It's really cool. And the birds, they're so awesome.
The birds, it sounds like the last property.
Yeah, it does. So we just have one more thing. We got to go to the bank and get our deposit to secure this house. So off we go. So in my hand here, I have the deposit for the house. So this is the last thing. We're just going to go drop it off. We just went to the bank. We're going to drop it off at the realtor's office and it'll be all done. And we just have to wait to close on the 28th of July. Yay.
Sweet, love it.
Yeah, so exciting.
I know, right?
Done. All
Sweet.
done.
It's awesome.
Yay.
Starting to get hungry, you?
Not really, no.
What?
Not really.
No?
No. We decided to come out for a walk and he found an ice cream joint instead.
What, we walked 2 seconds?
Yeah, we walked like 2 minutes. Seeing a little sneaky ice cream
Ordered
joint.
a pizza too.
Oh yeah, we did. There was a pizza joint right beside the ice cream joint, so that pretty much killed our walk.
We'll walk after.
Yeah.
Walk schmuck.
Sam started her summer camp and she loves it. And I'm going to be honest, we kind of love it. Because we get some free time to do stuff together. So it's been nice.
You gotta pay full cash for everything.
Well, yeah, everything's cash here. You got to go to the debit machine and pull your money out, or bank machine and take money out.
I
That's
told her
New
that.
Brunswick for you.
I told her before we came, it was like a lot of stuff still takes cash only.
Yeah, New Brunswick's like super behind the times in certain places.
There's horse and buggy just mine.
Oh, yeah. We're actually the only people who drive a car around here.
Hey,
Here's the pizza. Pretty yummy.
I'm eating strawberries because there's supposed to be a strawberry moon tonight.
so we're by the fire.
Yeah, and the strawberry moon is out.
Yes. Let's see if you can see it. Okay, it looks a lot cooler in person, right? But it is pretty sweet. Looks like the sun almost, eh?
Yeah.
There's a grad class at the drive-in tonight, so that's what you're seeing here. Cars are all honking for the grads as they go up here. And then they're on the big screen and behind those trees. And there's our sweet bonfire.
On the strawberry moon night.
Yeah, it's awesome. Just heat it, but not, you don't want it on fire, eh?
Yeah. I disappeared.
Does that look good?
What does? Yeah.
See if it passed the test.
Right.
Looks good.
Oh yeah.
So we spent a couple hours today over at the new house, and we went there to talk with the owners that currently live there. Because they're downsizing and we're upsizing, they need to sell a lot of furniture, so we're gonna buy it from them. It worked out perfect. So we just had like a meeting with them where we showed up at the house and we kind of went through all the stuff, and they told us what they wanted to sell. We asked for certain things we were interested in, and we were able to negotiate a really great price for a bunch of furniture that they don't want to take with them anyway.
Yeah, it's pretty sweet.
Yeah. So we're excited about that. It was really nice to talk to the owners as well, because They're really nice because they've lived there for the last 40 years. So they were able to tell us just a bunch of things about the house, about the property, about the 100 acres across the road. So they were telling us that there's blueberries, strawberries, and I think it was raspberries. Maybe it was blackberries. I can't remember.
And there was cranberries in the back, I think.
Yes.
And apples.
And apples. So these are just blueberries, strawberries, and I think blackberries.
Blueberries are key. Well, any
key.
berry, right?
Yeah.
Maple trees and berries.
Yes.
Mapleberry.
And then there's also fiddleheads, there's cranberries, and there's an apple tree in the yard. So it's crab apples, those three, but the lady made apple jelly out of it. And she actually gave us a can of apple jelly to try, which is really cool that she made from the apples there. So.
Got it?
Yeah. So this is the jelly, the apple jelly. And she has cranberry jelly as well that she's made, so. And then she
makes that with the apples right
on the land.
Yeah, there's the apple tree right there. Yeah.
Right in our backyard.
And then the cranberries grow right there too.
Yep.
Yeah. That's cool.
Whoa. Oh, my soul and body. I'm going to catch fire here. So the fiddleheads, I think they're out back as well, but the blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries, they're up the field. I like it.
Yeah, nice.
It's real nice.
And there's what, like 25 deer that cross the road regularly into the yard?
Yeah,
That's
so that's going to be so great for Jeremy for hunting. We'll make sure, we'll probably get a deer every year, which is awesome.
It'd be fun just watching them anyway, right?
Oh, I love
We just like watching them all year round. We just take the one to harvest each year, and other than that, just watching them is cool.
Yeah. And
there's a bunch of turkeys in the yard.
Turkeys,
Wild turkeys, yeah.
And then in the back river, there's rainbow trout and brook trout. What else did he say there was? A few different things for fishing, so that'll be awesome.
That's like a gold mine.
That's like a dream. So it's like Jeremy's basically his dream property. There's deer and there's trout.
Yeah, I know, right?
So we'll hunt and we'll fish and we'll be loving every day. It's going to be really awesome.
Hunting, fishing, loving every day. That's the prayer that a country boy brings.
Still make some syrup.
We'll make the maple syrup because there's maple trees, and we'll still do collecting blueberries and make our blueberry pancakes and blueberry jam and all that sort of stuff.
Blueberry pie is key.
Yeah.
Blueberry dumpling.
Oh yeah,
or
so
grunt,
good.
whatever you want to call it.
They have a cold room too, because they jar a lot of stuff and you store it in their cold room. So
we'll give you like a real good tour when we move in.
Yeah, we will.
And then obviously as we change it,
right,
to make it our own, we'll show you as we
all
do
that. And we have some canning stuff, but they're going to leave us some of their jars and extra stuff like that. I think I have like 80 jars that are empty that I can use for canning, but they're going to leave us some other ones and just some shelving and baskets for collecting the strawberries, just things that they're not going to use anymore. So we're super, super excited. It was really awesome to be able to meet with them today.
Yeah.
They're really, really great people.
Super handy, like just to take, like talking to the guy, taking me around, talking with the ins and outs of the place.
Yeah, really
Perfect.
awesome. So it was a really great day today. Like you've seen, we got to drop off the final check for the deposit to hold the house, and the sold sign went on the house, which was super awesome. And then we got to go meet the owners and just have a sit down with them and a chat, and great, lovely people. So we learned a lot more about the house, the property, and just so many different things that we didn't, like you obviously can't see the blueberries, it's not that season right now. You could see some strawberries, but a lot of the other berries and stuff, they're just not out yet. So for him to tell us that they're there and where they're located. Oh, and they also have a couple of gardens where they have some squash, and he used to have tomatoes and a bunch of other things, but he just couldn't keep the deer out. And then he just gave up on it because he's, you know, they're an older couple and everything now, but they do have an area where they were gardening, so we can get that all tilled back up and start our own garden next year, which is super exciting. But there may be squash for this year.
I have absolutely no problem
with the deer
with
eating.
the deer problem.
Yeah, yeah, we love watching the deer, so I'm really excited to even just sit
if the more that want to come in, go ahead.
Yeah. Oh, and all
because vegetables, if they eat the vegetables, then we eat the deer. We eat meat and vegetables.
Yeah, we don't need to eat vegetables.
Yeah.
Right? We just eat the deer. And behind, like we own, you know, a chunk of land there, but then behind it is cornfields. So that'll even bring in probably more deer.
Yeah.
That's
hay
really
field,
awesome.
and then a cornfield, and then the river.
Yes. Yeah. So we're super excited.
Man,
we're going to take you down to the river as soon as we get the house, for sure. As soon as like we're living in the house, we'll head down and we'll bring you with us to show you the river.
We showed it today.
Oh, well, I guess that's the exact river that runs right through the land, right? Yeah. Yeah, that is true.
But we'll show, there's another path that's right there. We were down the road a bit.
Yeah.
But we'll show the exact
Yeah.
spot.
Yeah, we will. So that'll
Pretty
be
cool.
Yeah, so now we're just gonna continue enjoying the fire, I guess, for the evening. It's been a busy few days, busy few weeks, really. We just moved here like a week
Busy
and a half
few
ago.
years.
Busy few years, I know.
Busy life.
Yeah, it really is. There's always something going on, but we're loving it.